According to the Storm Prediction Center's historical data, Wisconsin has most of its severe weather in June. And at the end of June this year, a complex of pole storms will converge into a mean but beautiful photogenic squall line. On the morning of June 29th, the Storm Prediction Center issued a marginal risk of severe weather and later on issued a mesoscale discussion as a cluster of pole storms was beginning to converge into a large squall line. Well, wasn't expecting to chase today, but here we are. Alrighty, we are in front of our storm. Down there you can see a shelf cloud. You can see these modest clouds up here. Those are really pretty. We got a storm for the first time in a month. Good storm. Kind of hard to see on this camera. There's a faint green tint above the storm. Probably got about 5 minutes before this thing's on top of us. We have to run. Before we run, I'm gonna swing this camera that way, so we can sort of get a shelf of the shot of the shelf cloud going across the sky. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it works. Thunderstorm back there. More thunderstorms back over there. And we got this big storm in front of us. It's moving at us very slowly, about 20 miles an hour, but it's going to be here soon. It looks like there's another storm coming up right there. Yeah. Check out this storm. Wow. See the striations over there? That is pretty. Gorgeous thunderstorm. You can see nice updraft over here. You can see it's kind of hard to see with this camera, but a greenish tint to the backside of the clouds there. So we got a nice shelf cloud with some nice striations. Got my modest clouds over here. Crazy. First storm in over a month. First good storm in over a month. It's been quite a long drought, but finally here. All the thunder we got going on inside of this thing. Wow, that is crazy. Beautiful. Very outflowy. Look at this thing. Wow. Oh my God. Apocalyptic. That is an apocalyptic looking shelf cloud. You can see the focus camera. That is an apocalyptic shelf cloud. See the striation above it? Up there, little striation. God, that's gorgeous. Oh, I wish I didn't have to go. Not yet. I'm gonna move this camera closer to the car, so I can run when I have to. It's really green under there. But look at this beast. Unbelievable. Lightning down there. As the storm got closer, it presented some of the most amazing structure I've ever seen in a squall. It almost looked like the old decaying shelf cloud was being swallowed by a new one. Almost time to go. This thing's on top of us almost. Look at how green that is. That is green. That is a green, green, green storm. Oh my good God, look at this thing. Whoa, big bolt down there. We're gonna have to run. Yeah, it's almost time to go. Unreal. Look at that structure. Dark in here. Very dark storm. Getting outflow now. Man, look at this beast. is a nice way to break the drought of no storms. This storm may not have a lot of power as compared to some of the other squall lines that I've seen, but it was definitely one of the most beautiful, and in my books, beauty is much more important than power.